Good evening, everybody. October month hackathon number 30 from Meena Krishnaswamy, teacher trainer TLC Chennai. Today I am going to tell about how to avoid 8 mistakes as a new leader, and it is written by Mark Hunter. Mark Hunter, he is known as Sales Hunter. He was very good in high profit selling and win the sale without compromising on price. So that I would like to share today. The first one is thinking you need to make every decision. It means what? Don't think that I can do any decision anytime I can take. So trying to make everyone's decisions will only turn you into a micro manager. That we have to always think about it. And second point which he just would like to, don't think that you know everything. So nobody in this world know everything. Okay. So you should be always keep in mind that I know everything. Strong leaders, what they do, actively seek out new things to learn each day. That is that one which he mentioned, always to do it. And next point which he wanted to tell about the selling or that business is that failing to realize you are being watched even when you are not being watched. It means what? Be a leader while leading a team. Be a leader. Otherwise, other time you should be another person. You should be like that. Don't think that you are a leader always. When you want to lead a group, that time you be a leader. Otherwise, you can have other person. And failing to realize that it is not about you, it is about the team. So don't think that everything is not of you. Winning is, it's a teamwork. That like that you can. You think it like that. The team strength is seen in the sum of the results of the people. It is all teamwork. Always remember that teamwork is the good thing in business. So a person single-handed cannot do anything. Any person. So somebody should be there to do help or imparting anything we require in the business. Then not realizing how quickly what you say or do can and often will be misinterpreted. It means what? When you are doing or when you are communicating anything, so what you have to do? You have to verify it whether it is correct communication or not. So you be very careful with the communication part. And then being afraid to lead when it is time to lead. So don't get afraid of when you have to lead a team, very boldly you lead the team. So it will lead to success. So anyone can lead when things are good. But in a bad situation comes, nobody will be there to lead. That time you lead. So don't give up. That is the strength a leader should have. That time leadership is needed. Be stern, firm and bold to face the tough times. Then not realizing the most important thing is what happens when you are not present. So in your absence, your team is doing a good job. So it shows your capability. Because you are teaching a lot, you are leading the group in a proper manner so that in your absence also they can do very nicely. So It shows what? It shows the quality of the leader. It should be like that. That it should be, I would like to tell. Then another thing is, for those of you leading a sales team, let us not forget that there is a biggest problem in us. What is that? Sales leaders what they make is they try to lead the customer. So as a leader, don't talk to the customer or lead the customer. If you are leading or lead the team, not the customer. Why? Because if you are talking to the customer, it leads to a misunderstanding for the salesperson. And the customer, they will do? They will turn to you for all answers. So be very careful. As a leader of the team, encourage your salesperson or the members of the team to talk to the customers on behalf of you. That is the best thing to achieve in business. So dear friends, whenever you feel get time, and try to get this book and read it. And because unfortunately or fortunately, I don't know, I got this in the Facebook, and somebody has written about it, so I thought I will read it. I went through the Google thing and just took it out the book, and I read it fully. Almost all finished that, reading that. So it's a good thing, you can read it. So whatever I could do, I just noted down and just told you the summary. Thank you very much for listening. Bye bye. See you tomorrow.